O2 détermine positive en négative blue type. Knowing your blue type is important, especially if you have frog blood transfusion or want to be pregnant. Tabo blood system label blue type with the letter A, B, AB, en haut. Your blood also has your RH factor, which can be negative or positive. You winner your blood type en RH factor from your parent. 1. To determine your RH factor, find out your parent RH factor for information. You also contact a blue typing test at your physician's office. Using existing information to determine RH factor. Understand what determine your RH factor. Located on your red blood cell, the RH factor is a protein you did or did not receive from your parent. You are RH positive when you have the protein. If the protein is not present, you are RH negative. 2. People with positive RH factor have positive blue type, with A+, B+, A+, or O+. People with negative RH factor tend have negative blue type, EGA, B, AB, or O. The majority of people have RH positive factor. 3. Check your medical chart. It is possible that will having the blood work done, your RH factor was tested avel. Ask your primary physician what the bar/a blue type for you on record. If you have had blood transfusion regularly, your blood type is likely recorded. Same applies if you are a blood donor. If you have a positive RH factor, you can receive ATRH plus or RH blood during transfusion. If you have RH blood, you must receive RH blood. 4. Except in certain life-threatening emergency when you might need to receive RH plus blood. Find out your parent RH factor. Ask your parents what their RH factor are. It can be possible to learn your RH factor by analyzing your parent factor. 5. If your parent both have RH blood, you will most likely be RH subule. For exception. If your mote is negative and your fate is positive, or vice versa, you could be IT positive or negative. In this type of situation, you will need more definite evidence from a lab test performed by your doctor or blood collection center. It should be noted that if both of your parents are RH+, you could still be RH. 6. Because people with positive blue type can possess IT2 positive RH gene, RH plus /RH, or on positive and on negative, RH plus /RH, circumstance where both parents have positive blue type but children have negative blue type. 7. Getting a blue type test. Ask your doctor for a blue type test. If your parents have different RH factor, or if they are both positive and you want to know for sure that you are also positive, you can request a blue typing test. The outpatient procedure fast and should not be very painful. You can go home afterward. Take blue typing test. A nurse or physician will clean a spot on your elbow or wrist with antiseptic toilet. A bar/she will locate an easily accessible vein in the area. After wrapping a tourniquet around your upper arm to pull the blood, a bar/she will stick your vein with a needle. The needle is usually connected to a syringe, which remove your blood. 11 bar/she attack on your blood. A bar/she will take out the needle and gently press the injection site with a sterile swab. You will then receive a bandage. 8. Afterward, the nurse will label your sample and send it to a lab for testing. Doctor test children's blood through the back of a syringe. 9. If you feel like you might pass out, tell medical professional. A bar/she can help you clean. 10. You might feel a prick, sting, or mild pain when your nurse stick you. After the test, you might bruise at the puncture site. The pain should not last long. 11. Test blood sample. At the laboratory, a technician will test your sample for RH factor. A bar/she will combine a sample of your blood with anti-RH serum. If your cell clone, you have RH+. On the if your blood cell diagnostic to GT, you are RH, 12. Itilically at lab will run test to determine your abo blood type avec during titim. Recognize importance of your reçu. Record your blood type in a safe place en chart information with your emergency contact. You will need information if you require a blood transfusion or organ transplant. Additionally, if you are or plan to be pregnant, knowing your RH factor is essential. Behavior of your pregnancy risk. If you are female en RH, you will need to have your partner test RH factor. If you are RH en IRH+, you can experience RH incompatibility. Timanta if your baby in if SRH+, your antibody can attack baby red blood cell. Ti can cause extreme anemia impossible dit forte baby, 13. During your pregnancy, if you are RH, you will take blood test to see what your body is producing antibody against RH+ blood. The first will happen in your first trimester and the second will occur when you are 28 weeks pregnant. If no antibody have developed, you will receive a shot of RH immunoglobulin. This shot will prevent your body from producing harmful antibody against your child, 14. If your body has produced antibody against RH+ blood, you will now receive an immunoglobulin shot. Instead, doctor will keep a close eye on your baby should develop. Et before or after her birth, your child might receive a blood transfusion, 15. Once your baby is born, doctor can test RH factor. If your baby share your RH factor, you will need no further treatment. If you are RH negative, however, and your baby is RH+, you must receive an immunoglobulin shot.